I'm gonna make this video quick. I turned my Xbox on, got a green screen, wouldn't let me do nothing. I unplugged it a couple times. I even looked on YouTube. They told me to start my controller, hold the square button, that one, and unhook the battery to it. That did not work. So I looked up a different video. Nothing else was working. So I kind of figured it out. I unplugged the whole Xbox. The second I hit the start button, I had to hold the controller connect button and the disc eject. You just hold it down and it'll give you the option to reset. It's not the end of the world. It gives you the option to keep your games, keep your profile, and keep your apps and stuff, you know, everything that was on there before. So like right now I'm going through the reset process, so let's see. It's basically just a total reset. I do not see my Wi-Fi. Why? Basically you just connect your Wi-Fi, you know, redo everything, time zone, power. After this, I'm gonna have to. You gotta know your sign-in password because it's gonna ask you to sign in again. And that should be it. You know, it's kind of self-explanatory. Yeah, I think that's everything. But if this video helped you at all, please leave a like, comment if it didn't work, share it if your buddies got green screen. Thank you.